this is a review about this situation. Overall, this is the uh, ending stages, and black territory is here, and there's some opening here and here. And for white, this is white's territory, and but there are some cutting point here and here and here, and that's the overall situation. There may be another possibility that black play here and create trouble for this white group, but that's too complicated, so we don't talk about that, and we review a simple opportunity, and that opportunity is here. So there is a co-threat or co-fight, potential co-fight, and if black play here, and then it start a co, and most likely the the black has opportunity to play here and create damage for white. So most likely white has to protect here, and most likely black can play here. And finally, the co will decide this territory, this area, this area. Okay, an overview, overall, black is very strong. There's no significant cutting point, but for white, there are too many cutting points. That means most likely black has more co-threat, and so definitely black will win this co. So a possible uh, situation like black throw in and white take it, and then maybe mm, black play here. That's a threat, and maybe you white play here, and then white play here. Most likely white connect, and then black Atari, white capture, and then black extend the threat to capture this too. Most likely white need to protect, and then black try to take the co, and there's no way for white to win this co. So most likely white sacrifice, and then black play here, white play here, black play here, and then that's the end of the game. Okay, so for this game, the opportunity is throw in and start a co-fight. Okay,